If you're listening to this right now, you're probably alive. And if you're alive, you can thank the mitochondria for that. Today, we're going to talk about exactly what the mitochondria is, what the parts of the mitochondria are, and how it works to produce ATP, the energy for your body. It's very important to understand how the mitochondria works because it is vital for your well-being and very life. And we have done extensive research on the mitochondria, and some of us are even biology majors, so we know a thing or two about the mitochondria.
To begin, the mitochondria is a component inside of a cell whose main purpose is to produce a form of energy called ATP from food and oxygen. This energy is what enables your muscles to move and for all parts of your body to actually function. Imagine a cell as if it were a city. The mitochondria would be the power plant, the food and oxygen would be the fuel, and ATP would be the electricity generated from the power plant used to power the rest of the city.
Now, we'll describe the parts of the mitochondria. In 2004, the National Institute of Health describes the mitochondria as being made up of four main components: the matrix, the inner membrane, the outer membrane, and the inner membrane space. The matrix is located at the center of the mitochondria and is probably one of the most important areas in the organelle. In 2003, scientist Gregory Enns highlighted the matrix as generating the bulk of ATP, as many of the ATP-making proteins are located in this area. The inner and outer membranes are layers or barriers of the organelle and act as boundaries to prevent any unwanted material coming in or out of the organelle. Lastly, the inner membrane space is the area between the outer membrane and the matrix and acts as an area for materials to freely travel throughout the mitochondria to create ATP or do other organelle functions.
How does the mitochondria actually produce ATP? Well, according to AAT BioQuest in 2024, ATP generation is powered by a proton gradient. Proton pumps, powered by electrons, move protons from the matrix into the intermembrane space, causing there to be a higher concentration in the intermembrane space. The protons then naturally want to flow back across the membrane into the matrix because of the concentration difference. The mitochondria harnesses this flow like a water turbine in a river. The protons flow back through a protein called ATP synthase, like the water turbine, which then spins it, which generates ATP.
Ultimately, the ATP produced by the mitochondria provides the energy needed for your cells to continue their regular functions, allowing your body to maintain homeostasis and keep you active. Without the mitochondria, you would have no way of utilizing natural energy and you'd die, and that's not good. So thank your mitochondria for their continued hard work that allows you to keep doing what you're doing.